GM and welcome to a new video. This one is about Pengu. This is the third video that I'm doing on Pengu, and it will probably be the end of this series or trilogy. I want to show you guys how the actual claim process looks like, because the token is now live for a few days. The TGE was on the 17th of December. I talked about this in my previous videos. A lot of people are eligible to claim tokens still, and I think a lot of people have some lying around in their wallets. Yeah, I'm gonna show you a checker as well where to see without the need to connect, but as I said, I will show you the actual claim process as well. Let's take a look at the token. It's on rank 77. This is the current market cap. The price is at around 2.5 cents right now. The market cap, you can see this here, it started pretty high, but there was some problems with people not able to claim, and you see this here. Once people were able to claim, then this is where we're at right now. Of course, the token has a 20% drawback since yesterday, but basically the whole market took a huge hit, as you can see here. If we search for Pengu, we can see that actually it's above Floki, right behind Say, and actually with. So pretty good start. Let's see what the future holds. The Pudgy Penguins NFTs also took a huge hit. There have been a lot of people that just bought the Pengus for the Pengu Airdrop, or the Pudgies for the Pengu Airdrop. As you can see here, it's at 17 ETH right now, and it actually was at a current top a few days ago at 35 ETH, so almost 20 ETH less now that the token is out. Meanwhile, the Doodles announced their token drop. Actually, it looks like all the NFT projects are now dropping their own tokens. They skyrocketed from 2 ETH to 6.6 in a couple of days. But since this is about the Pengu airdrop, let's go and talk about Pengu. This is the tweet where they announced the contract address. I'm going to post it down in the description as well. Always be aware of scammers. It has basically been listed on all the major tier 1 central exchanges. You can see here OKX, Binance. There's been some for here on Hyperliquid. You can see that it's on crypto.com, it's on Coinbase. Basically, it's listed everywhere. And now for the actual claim process. You can claim your tokens on claim.pudgypenguins.com, but before we go into this, I wanted to show you this, where you can actually check your wallets without the need to connect to the actual site. I will put the link down in the description as always. And while you're checking the description, make sure to follow my channel and leave a like for this video. And what you can do is basically replace this here with your wallet address, and then you can see here the total amount that is claimable or was claimable for this wallet. So 26,000 roughly, total unclaimed 0, because I claimed all of this for this wallet. And it shows everything that has been delegated to this wallet as well. So if you use delegate.xyz, then you could claim all the tokens here. Total unclaimed 0, so nothing to claim here. If you see something in total unclaimed, then this wallet is eligible to claim more tokens, and then you could go here and then link your ETH wallet or your Sol wallet. So connect all the wallets that you think that could hold any tokens. You go here, then go to Rabby. In my case, connect. You need to sign. Always have Pocket Universe on to protect yourself. This looks good. Then I'm gonna sign a transaction. And then you can see I previously claimed 26,000. This is what we've seen here as well. So as you can see, you can use this to check without the need to actually connect the wallet. But this is how you do it also for the Sol wallets. Make sure to check all your wallets that you have been active in the past, because you get a lot of bonuses if you have been trading NFTs for quite a while, if you have been holding certain things. Super Team did get an allocation, creators on Drip House. So make sure to just check all the wallets that you have in the Ethereum realm and also in the Solana ecosystem. And once you did this, I have no claims here right now because I claimed everything, but basically then you connect the claim wallet, which must be a Solana wallet. So basically you get to choose from this, Phantom, Salmon, Magic Eden, Solflare, and so on. And once you connected the claim wallet, then you can sign the transaction and actually claim your Pengu, and then it will show up in your wallets. It's enough to have a bit of dust in Sol tokens on the wallet that you're claiming with. It doesn't have to be one of the wallets that you checked and signed the transactions with to get the Pengu allocation. Let's see how it goes for Pengu in 25. There's been some rumors that Pengu holders might get an allocation of abstract. So yeah, that's basically it. Thanks for watching the whole Pengu trilogy on my channel. See you around. I got the abstract series just started to get a potential abstract airdrop, to understand what abstract is and so on. I'm gonna link this here at the end of the video. Make sure to check it out, and yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.